Okay, today I used store credit to buy this at my local gaming store. I've already opened it. It's the Scout Beetle. And there's a little drawing and the different runners. Doesn't look like there's actually much to it. There's the book, part list, and oh good, the base where it plugs in at, and I'm not really sure what's in there. Oh, real gears, couple of tools. Ooh, this could be fun. So that's about it, and hopefully I can do a video later when it's assembled. Bye.